Welcome back to Digital Cars Info, your trusted destination for the latest and officially confirmed updates from the automotive world. In today's video, we're diving into all the officially revealed details of the all-new 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, the next-generation hypercar that sets a completely new benchmark in the world of performance and design. According to the latest updates directly from Bugatti, the Tourbillon is not just an evolution but a bold revolution that succeeds the Chiron with a hybrid powertrain, groundbreaking design, and unmatched luxury, all backed by Bugatti's century-old legacy of craftsmanship and innovation. According to Bugatti's latest announcement, the 2026 Tourbillon features a newly developed hybrid powertrain that blends a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine, developed in collaboration with Cosworth, with 3 electric motors. This new powertrain generates a total output of 1,800 horsepower, which marks a substantial upgrade from the 1,600 horsepower of the Chiron Super Sport. The naturally aspirated V16 engine alone produces 1,000 horsepower, while the 3 electric motors contribute an additional 800 horsepower. This configuration allows the Tourbillon to deliver a sharper throttle response, more linear power delivery, and improved efficiency, making it the most technically advanced Bugatti ever built. According to the latest official details, the 2026 Tourbillon is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.0 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 445 km per hour. This is not only faster than the Chiron but also showcases how Bugatti has integrated electric propulsion to enhance performance, not just efficiency. The seamless integration of the electric motors and the V16 engine allows for instantaneous torque and unmatched acceleration, redefining what a hypercar is capable of. The Tourbillon also introduces a newly developed 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which is calibrated to work in perfect harmony with the hybrid powertrain. The gear shifts are now quicker and smoother, providing a more engaging and responsive driving experience. Bugatti has officially confirmed that the hybrid system is supported by a high-capacity 25 kWh battery pack that offers up to 60 km of pure electric driving range, allowing the Tourbillon to deliver silent urban mobility without compromising its high-performance nature. From a design standpoint, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon carries forward the brand's signature horseshoe grille and central spine, but evolves them into a more aerodynamically sculpted body. According to Bugatti's official design team, every line and curve of the Tourbillon is functionally driven by aerodynamics. Active aerodynamic elements have been upgraded with lighter materials and faster response times, including an adaptive rear wing that adjusts its position based on speed and driving conditions, improving downforce and high-speed stability. The new carbon fiber monocoque chassis is lighter and more rigid than the Chiron's, contributing to improved handling dynamics and cornering capabilities. Inside, the cabin of the Tourbillon is a true showcase of Bugatti's commitment to luxury and innovation. According to the company's latest statement, the interior is designed to resemble the dial of a Swiss tourbillon watch, which also inspired the car's name. The instrument cluster is constructed using Swiss watchmaking principles, with analog gauges mounted on a fixed hub in front of a rotating steering wheel, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern ergonomics. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and carbon fiber have been used throughout the cabin, ensuring a perfect balance between modern aesthetics and timeless elegance. Bugatti has confirmed that the Tourbillon will feature an upgraded infotainment system that remains minimalistic to preserve the analog feel but supports wireless connectivity, navigation, and over-the-air updates. The digital system is discreetly integrated, unfolding only when required, in line with Bugatti's philosophy of driver-focused luxury. Another major advancement is the Tourbillon's enhanced braking system. The car comes with upgraded carbon ceramic brakes and a new energy recuperation system that not only improves stopping power but also helps recharge the battery during deceleration. The suspension has also been refined with a fully adaptive setup that intelligently adjusts damping, ride height, and stiffness based on road conditions and driving mode, delivering a remarkably comfortable yet razor-sharp driving experience. As officially confirmed by Bugatti, production of the 2026 Tourbillon will be limited to just 250 units, and the deliveries are scheduled to begin in 2026. Each unit will be hand-assembled at Bugatti's Molsheim facility in France, and the price is set to start at around 3.8 million euros, reflecting the engineering excellence and bespoke craftsmanship involved in every single model. Customers will have the opportunity to personalize nearly every aspect of the car, from exterior finishes to interior detailing, allowing for truly one-of-a-kind creations. In summary, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is more than just a successor to the Chiron. It represents a new era for Bugatti. With its all-new hybrid V16 engine, aerodynamic design improvements, ultra-luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, the Tourbillon pushes the boundaries of what a hypercar can achieve. All of these enhancements have been officially confirmed by Bugatti, making the Tourbillon the most powerful, fastest, and most luxurious production car in the brand's history. Thanks for watching Digital Cars Info. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the officially confirmed details of the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest car launches and